Hello viewers, Mescal here. So this 9XA clone of a Stanley Meyer pulse train generating device. This thing came from some guys that are, you can see their names down there. I won't mention them because I've got the shits with how bodgy this is when it comes to delivering a product that actually works. These optocouplers here, if you look up what an optocoupler is, and the pinout for this particular one shows that you've got basically an LED coming in on this one. This leg's not connected to anything, and then you've got another two legs of the LED on this side, so two LEDs facing each other, and then you have the light coming from one impacts the light into the other one, and then they add the third leg where you can trigger voltage through there and get the signal from the light passing across the gap to trigger and give you signal. So basically it's like a amplification sort of setup. So not really knowing what I was doing, I was poking around on this circuit, and I looked and I saw that what was coming out of here looked like a 40 millivolt signal, and it was center line, squiggle, peak to peak was, you know, the perfect AC sort of thing, and I was expecting like a, you know, a clipped signal coming out of this because, well, that's what you'd expect. That's what the story of the gated pulse train is. So, having figured out that pin 6 should have been powered and saw that there was nothing, there was no trace anywhere, double slotted cord, had a good look, there's nowhere for power to be supplied to the third leg of the, you know, the output side of the optocoupler. So I noticed down here there was a little rail that said 5 volts, so I figured, well, the spec sheet says 7 to this, if that's the top. You can put 7 to it, so I gave it 5, and let's show you what it's got now. Look at that. It's 5 volt on the scale there, so all I've got to do is give that the same tricks I did with the Lawton circuit, isolation transformer, clamp it, put an LED on it, and I'll have perfect flat top pulse train. And then we can send this down to electro.